Here's my bird at McDonald's. He's a good little boy. Here's a French fry that he's not going to eat. Alright? He's not big on fries. You want a fry? No. He says, no, I don't like fries. But now when I offer him a piece of meat and cheese, that's a different story. Here's meat. You want some meat? Oh, okay. You don't like fries, but you like the cheeseburger. I know. There's more. Oh, that's bread. Nope. No bread. So after careful experimentation, the McDonald's bird likes burgers, but he doesn't like bread and he doesn't like fries. Huh.